Can you really say you're that it girl if you don't have the it fragrance? Hello, beautiful people. I'm Cheraye. I'm here to share with you the new from Fenty Beauty. And if you want to see how you can get your fragrances to last all day long, I'm going to spill the tea on that as well. I love all things fancy and fabulous darlings, and I am a huge lover of fragrance and, of course, Fenty Eau de Parfum. You guys, they came out with something new. So I want to share with you what they came out with, you guys. This is so beautiful. The packaging is luxurious. This is a beautiful Fenty Eau de Parfum solid. And at the top of it, if you look at the very top of it, it's like a little maze. It looks like a game. There's like a little gold ball in there that I've been playing with, trying to get it to go inside of all the different edges in there. It's super fun. I love the packaging. It's alcohol free. You can put it in your bag, put it in your handbag. It's a conversation starter. It's compact and I absolutely love it. It almost feels like having jewelry with you. So as you open it up here, this is the perfume solid. This is what it looks like. It's really good, you guys. I have already been playing with it, okay, because I had to find out what it was giving. So all you're gonna do is take your hand and dab it in here, and what you want to do is place it on your post points, your points on your body where it heats up and the fragrance gives off. Now, a lot of times when the original came out, being the bottle here, some were thinking it was a bit strong. It's too strong. Like I said, it's bold, it's courageous, it's in your face. So this allows you to place it and distribute it where you want it. So I would encourage you and tell you to place it in your pulse points. So I would say a little behind here, and it's a perfume solid. So you can rub it on and dab it here or wherever you want it. I'm always tell you to hit the ankles. If you know, you know. And then you also want to come here and you can rub this together. Let me mention this as well. It's long lasting. So it will not be as bold as a fragrance because I'm a heavy sprayer. If I have any heavy sprayers, hashtag in the comment section, heavy sprayer. I spray 10, 15, 25 sprays. You are going to smell me before I arrive, and you're definitely going to smell me after I leave. I will definitely be leaving a scent trail. And this fragrance is absolutely no different. It's going to do the same thing. Blueberry, tangerine, Bulgarian rose, geranium, magnolia, patchouli is down in the base. It has some musk in it. It is sexy. This is definitely a sexy fragrance. It is an attention grabber. It makes you feel sexy. It makes you feel bold. It makes you feel confident, strong. It just makes you feel like that girl. And with this, oh my gosh, you're really giving that girl. How to get your fragrances to last all day. One of the things you want to do is immediately out of the shower, because it's always going to start with some soap and water, but immediately out of the shower while the body is still damp, you want to go in with your Fenty Beauty body cream. And this is so luxurious, you guys. It's so pretty. This cute little Fenty spatula here that I absolutely love. Dip it inside of here, and you want to get it on, like I said, while your body is still supple, and then rub it all over. Now you can see the glow before I even apply it because I already put it on. This is going to help your fragrance to last, to project, to stay all day, because you always want to put your fragrance on hydrated, moisturized skin. If you wanted to stop there, like say for instance, you're like, oh, I don't want to do too much, you can stop here. The body cream is sufficient. It smells amazing, and you can smell it just with this alone. You don't even need to add the fragrance. But if you did want to add the fragrance, then you would go in with your Fenty fragrance. It comes in two sizes. It comes in a 75 ml, and it also comes in a 30 ml. If you were going on vacation, they have a travel spray. Yes, you can get the Fenty Eau de Parfum and the travel spray. This is amazing. It fits easy in your suitcase, easy in your backpack, your gym bag. We also have the refillable travel sprays. Now this is my favorite. I'm not gonna hold you, not gonna keep you. This is your atomizer here. So you have it like this, and all you're gonna do is twist up and then you'll spray. This is how you make your fragrance last all day. So as you put your body cream on, when the body is still supple, like I said, it's moisturized and hydrated now, you wanna go ahead and take your fragrance and spray it right on top. That way it just meshes well. It engulfs itself. Yes, darling. It engulfs itself into your body and your body chemistry. It becomes one. And when your body heats up, when you're going throughout the day, when you think you can't even smell it anymore, somebody's gonna give you the, excuse me, what are you wearing? You smell so good. That happens to me all the time, especially when I'm wearing this fragrance. So this right here is your refillable travel spray. It also comes with 2 additional ones as well. Total, you're gonna get 3 total, and then you do get the atomizers, just in case you didn't want anybody to know that you sprayed your fragrance. That's where this compact also comes in handy, the perfume solid, because if you put this on, it's not gonna leave a big scent because you wouldn't have sprayed it. All you're gonna do is just dab it here inside, place it wherever you want it to be, and put it on. And then when you come out or you go in for that goodnight kiss or that goodnight hug, that's gonna linger. That scent is gonna linger. Like I said, it's raw, it's spicy, it's unpredictable, it's unforgettable. It's that fragrance that's gonna captivate your attention. When I first sprayed it, I did go, what in the world? Like, I didn't know where to compartmentalize it, but after I began to play with it, I wore it out on a date night, and I was like, I get it now, you know what I mean? This is a fragrance that you could wear year round. It's a dusk till a dawn, meaning that you can wear it from the beginning of the date all the way till the next morning. One that will make that evening, that day, or that night unforgettable. In my opinion, I consider it to be a year-round fragrance. You can wear this winter, spring, summer, fall. I've worn it in hot weather, cold weather. I've worn it on a date. It's an attention grabber. So you're definitely gonna leave a scent trail, and you're definitely gonna leave people wanting more. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.